My name's Jack, I'm 30. I run Llaethliw Vineyard, which is just outside Aberaeron. My dad had the crazy idea that maybe we could try and grow grapes in West Wales. There already was one guy in Aberaeron that grew grapes, so we knew, oh, maybe there was a good chance we could actually grow something. So then he planted the vineyard, and I came back from New Zealand and went down to Brighton and studied 2-year viticulture course down there, and then transferred back here to take over the vineyard. Dechreuon ni'r busnes fan hyn achos o dan i'r car ma'n barod, a o'n i jyst yn rento fe mas I ffermwyr yn lleol, a wedyn I jyst dewis, falle beth bach wahanol, nawn ni plannu gwynllan, a wedyn develop that popeth o fan'na wedyn, nathon ni fwy a fwy poblogaidd, a ni wedi plannu fwy a fwy. The weather is our main challenge we have. We quite often get late frosts in months April even to May now. So the buds wake up in March, because quite often we get like 20 degrees in March, and anything over 10 degrees the vines wake up. So then they're dormant through the winter, we get 10 degrees, so they wake up, and then in April, May then the frost comes, and then second the buds are frosted off, that means then you have to start the procedure again, which is it's a few months, then you're running late every year, and then the problem is then when it comes to like October, November, the rain comes, and then we start getting wet and the diseases go up. So the main thing the weather's our main problem really. There's not many vineyards around here. There's quite a lot down in like Abergavenny, Monmouth area, and there's quite a few more on Cardiff. But around here, a lot of local people support us. It's been we started it off thinking, we might not get that many bottles being sold, but we've sold a lot more than we have expected. It's amazing running your own business really. You can call your own hours basically, but obviously it can work in both ways. Some days you work really, really late and you have to be up really early in the morning. Some like winter pruning now, all through the winter we'll be pruning every single vine. We've got around 13, probably now more like 14,000 vines now. So all of them have to be pruned by every single one, all by hand. And it takes probably roughly about 10 minutes per vine. So if you add all that up, it's a lot of hours, and obviously all of it has to be done yourself. You have to work just to get it done in order before they all start waking up. But apart from that, running a business is amazing. You can do whatever you want really. You can push it to anyone you want to do. You can use social media to influence your business, and you can just run it as it's your own little project. Just go for it. Just start, make sure you pick something you really, really like, something you enjoy doing, and make sure that you can start it off small, and then like we originally just planted this small vineyard at the start, and now we've developed on each side. So now we originally had 4,000 vines, now we planted another 10,000 vines, so now we're up to 14,000 in 10 years, and hopefully in the next few years we want to develop even more. So I think that's the best advice, to start small and then develop and get bigger and bigger and bigger.